Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Authenticator for Exchange account security step by step clearly. Open your preferred internet browser. Navigate to your email provider's website. Log into your Exchange account with your username and password. Once logged in, find the Security Settings or Account Settings section. Look for the option related to two-factor authentication or two-step verification. Click on the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to select a method for verification. Choose Google Authenticator from the available options. A QR code will appear on your screen. Open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. In the Google Authenticator app, tap on the plus icon or Add Account. Select the Scan a QR code option. Point your device's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer. The app will automatically capture the code and add your Exchange account. Once added, the app will display a 6-digit verification code. Return to your computer and enter the verification code from the app. Follow any additional prompts to complete the setup process. Once configured, you may log out and log back in to test the setup. You will now be prompted to enter a verification code each time you log in. Store backup codes provided during the setup in a secure place. These codes can be used if you lose access to the Google Authenticator app. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Google Authenticator for your Exchange account security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.